Hi friend, this is Raj and you are watching For Education channel. Today I will discuss how to think more and more in your life because you know in these days how you stress your mind, how much you will be stressed in your mind, you will be gain a more knowledge. A lot of the congestions have one persons who's have the best qualities. That person is that who study a lot of thing because he has served many things and speak very well, very fluently. Because how much you will be congested your mind, how much you will be force your mind, your cells, your bodies will be build up and boost your cells to go through at the ophthalmos. Ophthalmos is the thing which regulate your bodies, which control your emotions, and which give powers to human being to boost your memory. To think that you have need to always look here and there and just have to follow and think in English. You see that day by days where you are going, if you are talking to anywhere, just you remember to ourselves what I can say in English, and then you have to find that a lot of the consequence words will be come in your mind, but it may have to come with a continuity. It is not that work for one day, it is the work for very long times. We are saying or with our sharing one things which is very important. Whenever you have think that a human's bodies which absorb everything like summer, winter, rain and atoms. Atom means Basant Ritu. These four things are sharing or accepting your bodies, and it may accommodate according to the seasons, according to the spring means Vasant. Then you find that if your mind is accommodate like to the seasons are pleasant, then you have also to modify yourself and think in English as much as possible. There is one more important thing that if you see that how much capabilities in your mind, in the human head, you have just remember, as for knowledge I am sharing with you 1400 cc's your mind which having the capacities a lot of you can touch and think like a sky. And in the human beings which have been using 3 or 4% our mentalities. If you, for examples, you have listened about the William Wordsworth. He was the world famous poet, and he was also living in England, and his wife name was Mary, and his father name was John, and his mother name was Anne. During the childhood, the William Wordsworth fathers have dead, parents have dead, so he was living lonely at the home and with his uncles. After some days later, he have just moved to England, to France. There one war was revolutionary war was going on. During the times they have stayed there and they have did his graduations and after that he have wrote a excellent poetries and verses. That persons who have never studied in the childhood, after that he was accumulate his mind and he has just think about the natures, and one day he have proved that everything have been found by the changing your pleasant recommendations. Like this is the best things and best examples for us to listen about the William Shakespeare's. You have just they have also listened a many poet in his life. For examples, if we are sharing with you Tony Abbey, daffodils means होता है हल्का पीला पीला रंग, and the other thing they have write like the rhyme of the ancient mariner. In the 1770s he was born, and after that he was passed away in 1850s. In between the 70s years they have wrote excellent things in his life, and he have get success in the world, so that you have never lose your options or opinions. You have need to just think yourself, always busy your mind, then your mind will be work like a supercomputer. This is the things that we have sharing with you, because you have just boost your memory, boost your power, boost your knowledge, and you have just come in front of at anybody's, you will be solved all of the acquisitions, all of the questionnaires, all of the IQ. This is the things which have to come to the human life, and it is necessary to talk about a success man persons. This is the final and last decisions which has been took by the William Shakespeare. This is the small lectures or sessions through us, because we can spread your knowledge and boost your knowledge and get and test your knowledge and share your knowledge to each other. Thank you. Bye bye. And don't forget like, share and comment, because if you will start with us, you will be success one day. And this is the basic things with us to start your journeys as much as possible. Thank you. Bye bye दोस्त.